What's up, everybody? Welcome to Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in DeFi, crypto, and passive income. Hey guys, I apologize that I have not made a video yet today. I've been pretty busy. I own another business that sometimes takes up a chunk of time, and I gotta do things in person. And although I do love what I do and I love the business that I started, I do want to scale back that business and be able to live primarily off of the money that I make online, whether it's the affiliate marketing, the cryptocurrency, and certainly the DeFi. And I'll tell you, I've got a lot put into Drip, and I really do believe that it is one of the projects that is going to produce real passive income for quite some time, and that's why I'm so excited about it. I definitely am in some of the other stuff, the other nodes and all that kind of crap, but Drip's the one that I really have a lot more conviction in terms of its longevity. God, these LA drivers, let me tell you. So anyway, I wanted to just kind of put something out there, guys. We talk about financial freedom and passive income, and I'm gonna be like straight up with you guys, because you deserve the truth, and this might be a little harsh, but I mean, here's the thing. Like, we all have an understanding of financial freedom and why we want it, right? Why we're tired of trading our time for dollars, and to have the ability to not be worried about money, and to be able to do more things that we want to do, have the freedom to choose to engage in things in life that we really enjoy doing. That's what real financial freedom is. It's not the dollar amount, right? It's a way of living our lives differently, where we're not consumed and with this worry about finances. And the truth is, you're not going to become financially free as long as you continue to remain an employee, and that is your main source of income. I believe that is just the truth. I mean, unless you want to go back to school for 6 years and become a doctor, if you rely pretty much solely on being an employee, you will never gain true financial freedom. You have to become an owner. You have to become a business owner. And when you think about some of the stuff that we're doing, especially Drip, I don't look at that as like, investing in Apple or Bitcoin, which I am invested in. And you could say I am an owner of Apple because I've invested in the stock, and that's a company. But I'm talking about a business that produces cash flow. That is what I'm talking about here, as I almost run someone over. So to become an owner of something that generates cash flow, that generates money when you're not actually working. The quote, Warren Buffett. I mean, I'm not, I know I'm preaching to the choir here, guys, but I'm just trying to bring up a point that a protocol like Drip is becoming an owner. It's certainly becoming an owner, within the animal farm, just like Forex talks about, and it's investing money into something that produces cash flow. You talk about sunk cost, right? Like, the money that you put in the faucet is a sunk cost. And some people are like, oh, I don't, that you can't get it back. I'm not doing it. That's terrible. Well, what do you think happens when you start a business? There's a ton of sunk costs when you start a business, that if you were to try and shut down the business or pull out or whatever, you're not getting that money back. So, that's how I look at a lot of the stuff, especially like with Drip, and anyway, I'm excited that you guys are excited. I'm excited that tomorrow we're relaunching the animal farm. I am pumped for all of us. I'm prepared that tomorrow may be absolutely madness. and there may be a lot of, you know, listen, I'm prepared for whatever happens tomorrow. I really don't give a shit, right? Like, I mean, it would be great if it's smooth as sailing, but I'm prepared for it to be bumpy. So don't freak out if you see prices like tanking. Just sit back, relax, maybe do a little hydrating, both in the faucet and, you know, with maybe a cocktail, an adult beverage of some kind. I'm personally sober, so I can't partake in that thing, and you wouldn't want me to. Believe me, cops get involved, it's a bad thing. Anyway, folks, I'm excited. I'm sorry that I'm giving you this kind of rant in my car while I'm driving. I can't even edit it or make it look nice, but I just wanted to check in with all of you. Pumped about this. Let me know if you're excited. Let me know if you understand what I meant about becoming an owner and getting into a business that generates cash flow, and if you do look at drip as that opportunity. So if you got anything out of this, please like, subscribe, and comments are my absolute favorite, and I really appreciate the ones that I've been getting from you guys. It really goes you know, a long way. So all right, guys, I will see you all tomorrow. Animal Farm, let's get this money, baby.